Guys, it is going down today. I purchased a new bike. I put down on it, and I am here at Extreme Sports. In New Jersey, and I'm about to pick it up. I'm gonna keep it a secret until we see what it is. Stay tuned. It's going down. Too sweet, too sweet. Beautiful, beautiful. Kawasaki 400 is nice. Ninja 400. The Jixer Bros. Tier 3 looking sweet. Slingshot is crazy. Bodies. Panigale. Too crazy. Looking too crazy. Monster sweet. Street Triple R. Looking crazy. This is sweet. 650 looking sweet. Rebels. I like the navies. It's crazy. Browns looking crazy. Browns and navies. What's up, guys? Sad news. We had a slight miscommunication. After I finished all the paperwork for the bike and all the payments, put on the plates and everything, I realized these guys were not gonna transport it today. And that was my plan. That's what I thought we went over on the phone, that these guys were gonna transport the bike. That's why I drove here. But come to find out, they said they can't do it till almost a week from now. So my plan is to go back home, take the 1.5 to 2 hour drive back home, and come back tomorrow on New Jersey Transit, through the Port Authority, take the bus, and ride back. I was gonna do the U-Haul and a trailer. Then I decided, I've never really done the trailer thing. So we are gonna take the plunge, jump on a brand new bike that I've never ridden, I've only sat on, and we are riding at home tomorrow. There is a hint in the video as I walk through the shop on what bike it is. Drop me some comments below. Let me know what bike you think it is. And stay tuned for the next video, because that's when I'm picking it up and I'm taking that ride home. Be easy. Peace. Next time.